Okay, seniors, I'm gonna try this again. The last time I did this, all we could see was my face, and I really wanted you to see the screenshot of the computer. So let's go ahead and try this again. One of the assignments that what we're gonna be mainly focusing on this last part is looking at some real life reading, for lack of a better word. This week we're gonna be focused on a contract sample. The next couple weeks, it'll be a credit card agreement followed by a loan agreement. These are all things all reading that you're going to have to do in the quote unquote real world. And I wanted to make sure you were familiar with it. So you will notice on your screen, I have an employment contract sample PDF. And the first thing I want you to do is make a copy. So you'll go up here to File, and you'll go to Make a Copy, and then you'll click OK. And then I'm not going to because I already have this. Then you're going to put your name on it. So up in where it has when you save it, what it comes up as, I cannot think of that right now. My apologies. You're going to put your first and last name and then just contract. I did Amy Brown contract. Now, as you read, the contract is on a Google Doc. I've put it onto a Google Doc so that you can highlight. So as you're reading along, highlight in words read that you do not know, okay? You're not exactly sure what they mean, so you need to look them up. And then when you finish reading it through the first time, you're going to go back through and comment. So let's say, whereas. Not exactly sure what that means, Mrs. Brown, so I'm going to highlight it in red. And now I'm going to go back and I'm going to create a comment off here to the side, and it's going to tell me and I'm going to give the definition of whereas, okay? All right, I'm going to cancel that. After you have done all of the words that you need defined, and some of you will have a lot, and some of you will have very few. There is no right or wrong number, but everybody should have at least a couple. Then I want you to highlight in green something that you understand and think is important to the contract. Maybe it's something that you didn't realize was going to be in the contract, but you think it's important. Make sure you highlight that in green, and then again, make a comment and off to the side, tell me why. The last portion of this is you're going to highlight in blue a sentence or phrase that makes you stop and ask a question. You know, like, why would they feel the need to put this in a contract? Why is this important? Why do I need to know that I need to return my stuff? I thought that was common sense. And then you can either answer the question or leave it up there and we can discuss it together. Okay? So that's a step one of the annotating process on the sample contract. Step two is you can create either a video or a Google slide presentation, or you could be really cool and do both. And Mrs. Brown would like being total awe. Okay? And you're going to tell me what the main points of the contract were. So like just bullet points. What were the main parts of the contract? Then you're going to tell me something you learned that you may not have known before based off of this, something that you can apply. Then you need to tell me why it is important. Why did I think that you needed to do this assignment on our e-learning? Why is it important to understand what a contract for employment entails? Okay? So that's all there is to it. I promise. It's not that bad. The credit card agreement will be broken down into 2 weeks. You'll start seeing that soon. But go ahead and do this annotation for this week. If you have questions, what do? Do you snap at mom and dad? Younger sibling? No. Get a hold of me. Send me an email. Send me a text message. If we need to meet in my Zoom room, we can do that. If we need to FaceTime, we can do that, okay? I am here to help you. Don't get frustrated. Don't get worked up. Get a hold of me so that I can help you, all right? All right, guys. I will see you later. Good luck on this. I miss you. Bye.